Once upon a time, there was a woman named Sarah. Sarah grew up in a small town where religion was not a big part of her life. She was raised in a Christian family. But despite attending church regularly, she always felt something missing in her spiritual life. She had a deep desire to find something more meaningful and fulfilling. Sarah was a curious and open-minded person, and as she grew older, she began to explore different religions and spiritual practices. She read books, attended lectures, and even traveled to different parts of the world to learn more about different faiths. But no matter how much she searched, she couldn't seem to find what she was looking for. One day, while at a local bookstore, Sarah met a Muslim woman named Fatima. They struck up a conversation and Sarah found herself drawn to Fatima's kindness and peaceful demeanor. Fatima noticed Sarah's interest in Islam and offered to answer any questions she had about the religion. Sarah was intrigued and began to ask Fatima about the teachings of Islam. She was fascinated by the principles of the religion, such as the oneness of God, the belief in the prophets, the importance of prayer, and the emphasis on helping others. Fatima gave her a copy of the Quran, and Sarah began to read it in her free time. As Sarah read the Quran, she found that it answered many of the questions she had about life and spirituality. She realized that Islam offered the spiritual fulfillment she had been searching for. She was moved by the wisdom and beauty of the religion, and she knew that this was what she had been looking for all along. Sarah decided to convert to Islam and officially become a Muslim. She was excited to begin her new journey and learn more about her faith. She reached out to Fatima and her new Muslim friends and community for guidance and support. They helped her learn how to pray and taught her the basics of the religion. Sarah's journey to Islam was not easy, as she faced some challenges and resistance from her family and friends. They were shocked and confused by her decision, and many of them tried to discourage her from continuing on this path. But Sarah remained steadfast in her faith and her commitment to Islam. She knew that this was the right path for her, and she was determined to follow it. As Sarah deepened her understanding of Islam, she discovered the wisdom and beauty of the religion. She found that it was not only a religion, but also a way of life that focused on doing good deeds and helping others. She also found that it provided her with a sense of community and belonging. Sarah was known for her kind and compassionate nature, her desire to help others, and her devotion to her faith. Sarah's conversion to Islam was a transformation that changed her life for the better. She found peace, contentment, and a sense of purpose in her faith. Her journey inspired many people around her, and she became an advocate for Islam, helping to educate others about the religion and its teachings. She was an inspiration to many and was respected for her wisdom, compassion, and her devotion to her faith.